United Kingdom's boxing. Right, your Paul in the East End of London at Bethnal Green. Time now for the event of the evening, scheduled 12 rounds of boxing for the EBU European Bantamweight title. Firstly, to make his way to the red corner, the challenger, Charlie Edwards.
But I'm cursed, so never mind. And it's worse, but better times seem further and behind. The top gets higher, the more that I climb. The spot gets smaller, and I get bigger, trying to get to where I fit.